Alexa, launch Carmen Johnston Gardens.
How many of you want to have your own indoor garden inside your own bedroom?
Well, we loved her gardening tips in the pages of Southern Living. Now, Carmen Johnston is the first garden lifestyle expert with how-to videos. Her content teaches you how to create centerpieces, planters, and over 30 other useful green thumb ideas. Carmen's here with this new technology and easy DIY for us. Great to see you.
Oh, I'm so glad to be here, and thank you so much for letting us show off our new Alexa skill.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. You're kind of pioneering this technology.
We are. We're the first one in the gardening category to be on Alexa. So we've got all kinds of useful gardening tips, decorating ideas, and especially tons of things for Easter coming up.
Oh, good. Okay, so show us how it works.
Okay, here we go. So let me take her off mute. Alexa, launch Carmen Johnston Gardens.
Hi, I'm Carmen. I'd love to help you garden and entertain. Get started by saying home and garden, holidays, recipes, or follower favorites.
Alexa, go home. So I'm sending her home real quick and putting her on mute because as many of you in your home right now might be hearing Alexa, you're going off.
Yeah.
I've got all kinds of fun tips and tricks, and one of them is a DIY terrarium that I wanted to show you and share with you today. So a lot of these different things actually came out of my kitchen. So we used, this is a cookie jar.
Right.
And we put it on top of a Lazy Susan. So I've got 3 steps to creating an easy terrarium.
Okay.
Create your layers, plant, and then decorate.
Okay.
Okay.
You've got our layers in here already.
We've got our layers. Now I want to make sure that you know about this. We put rocks, moss, and good potting soil. Make sure you choose the right potting soil. And now it's time to plant.
Okay.
So you can choose all different types of things to plant. And as you can see, we've got tropical selections. You can do bulbs, or you could use succulents. So I always like to plant the tallest in the center.
Okay.
And I'm so glad that you've left that in the pot there because I never take my orchids out of the pot.
Really?
Well,
That's an
because they
interesting
kind of get a little messy.
Yeah.
So it's super simple and easy. And then I usually just like to use 3 plants in my terrarium. So you could use, I know, aren't those adorable? Yep, you could mix some different succulents.
Leave this in the pot too?
I'm going to take that one out.
Okay. All right.
You can go ahead and take that out. And that's a gorgeous succulent. We're going to add that and layer that.
And so if you're doing this with Alexa talking to you, then you're talking us through all the steps.
Yes, literally it's like me standing right next to you in your kitchen. So, you know, so many of us as you're gardening right now, your hands are dirty and it's really hard to touch the device and everything's getting yucky and messy. Well, now you can just talk to me on Alexa and I'll show you all kinds of fun different tips.
I love that.
I know, so neat. Okay, so now it's time to decorate.
Okay.
You can see we've chosen all kinds of fun elements. This is a fun lizard. And I always like to think about what do the children who I'm planting with like to plant and like to decorate with. You could use colored sand. That's a fun element. If they like cars, this is a really fun thing that you could add. Now, how do you take care of your terrarium? Use a turkey baster to water.
I think this is brilliant.
Isn't that so much fun?
What a great idea.
Yeah, it just makes it super simple and easy. And now you've created your own ecosystem.
I love it.
And you put the lid on it.
Carmen, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much for having me.
And congratulations on this new technology. I mean,
We're super excited. So be sure to launch Carmen Johnston Gardens.
We'll do it. All right. Thanks so much. Stay with us. We'll be right back.